How to fix Klarna payment declined error. If your payment gets declined, don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, open the Klarna app and go to the Payments tab. Check the declined payment and tap Retry Payment. Make sure your card details are correct and that your balance or limit covers the purchase. If it still fails, try adding a new card or switching your payment method. Klarna will provide an error message with guidance. Clear cache or log out and back in if the app shows repeated errors. It often resolves temporary issues. Have you ever faced a payment decline with Klarna? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can fix Klarna payment decline error. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.